Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Havells Bianca Geyser. Only way. Turn on the mains power and set the temperature dial to a safe level like 45 degrees C. Always close the water inlet valve after use and check the pressure relief regularly. For first use, open a hot tap to release air and confirm steady flow. Keep the area dry and call a certified technician for wiring or leaks. Begin by choosing the right mode for your routine and water needs. Eco mode lowers power consumption and stretches hot water supply for longer showers. Turbo heats faster but uses more electricity, so balance time versus cost. Adjust the thermostat gradually by 1 or 2 degrees to find comfort while avoiding scalding. Monitor indicator lights and listen for normal heating sounds, and never block ventilation or service panels or vents. Regular care keeps your geyser safe and efficient, and it does not take long each month. Flush the tank every 6 months to remove sediment that reduces heating efficiency. Inspect the anode rod annually and replace it if heavily corroded to prevent tank damage. Test the pressure relief valve monthly by lifting its lever to ensure proper flow. Wipe down external panels and address any leaks with a professional promptly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.